guys. We're seeing 175s at 2 evens trade, guys. So it is 8 o'clock with 43 seconds. You guys can hear the Eurodollar pits in the background here. They're definitely having some fun over there today. But guys, we are definitely seeing that ES is balancing on 4-hour highs. Does remain initiative above that 684, guys. That's 26,000. I'm sorry, that was the YM, guys. It does remain initiative above the 21. We did test below the 21 in the overnight, the 29.21, guys. We are remaining initiative above it right now. So let's see. We did see we were continuing initiative yesterday. We did get a pullback in the overnight session. Good morning, Eric. Good morning to you. So yeah, we are seeing something higher on the 5-minute time frame, guys. But yet we definitely had a pretty strong pullback in the overnight session. It was actually very technical. It was very well technically traded. So that's always a good sign. Definitely selling though. Definitely selling in the overnight session. And guys, where we at here on the ES, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, we are looking for a key area price pattern into 28.92.75s, guys. And guess what, guys? We may see that before too long. But there, I just posted up, guys, what I do see today. We have no bias on the 30-minute time frame. Why? Key area yesterday was a price pattern into 31 quarter. Yeah, guess what? We saw that into the close. We saw it spike down below it and back up into the close. That 31 quarter, 31 half, 31.75 acted as resistance, and we haven't even come close to it again in the overnight session. So guys, guess what? We have invalidated that 30-minute bias. Does that mean that we have a short lean automatically? Not necessarily at all, guys. We have to see something develop here, but it does mean dual-sided trade, guys. It does mean that there is a greater likelihood than there was yesterday into the close that both sides are gonna be right on this trade, which is nuts to say, guys. We were just 3.5 points off of all-time highs. Sorry, make that 2.25 points off all-time highs yesterday. But we did tighten all that up yesterday, just in case we did get a pullback, in order to protect us from any sort of downside lean. And guys, the 5-minute time frame, which you can see here, guys, we actually are establishing a long lean in that 5-minute time frame. We're looking for a price pattern into 29.16s on any pullback, 29.16s, and I will be looking to be a buyer, as we did find a stoppage point. And guys, the stoppage point is now a solid 8 points behind us. So guys, yeah, definitely looking forward to buy some pullbacks if we rotate back down lower here. All right, so we were able to invalidate, and we do have several areas of several price areas higher, guys. We have to stay sustained above that 2 quarters in order for us to really expect to see anything higher. But yeah, that's what we are seeing, guys. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ next, and then we'll get to our YM. I started off with the YM just on accident this morning, but guys, we clearly in the overnight session, this is actually much choppier down here on these lows than the ES was. But yeah, we are definitely seeing the upper extreme trade back up to this upper extreme, and validates this 5-minute short that we have seen. And we can definitely call this a large 5-minute area balance, guys. But we have to get back up through that 30-minute balance, guys. That's what we talked about, as a 30-minute balance. So guys, no bias on the 5-minute, but the key area is trade back down to the lower extreme, the 76.04s. No bias on the 30-minute. We are looking for a price pattern into 76.30s. That invalidated overnight, guys. It was sustained trade through that multiple times, and as we came back up to the 30s and saw resistance. So guys, we still have the 74.20s to 73.90s below us in the 4 hour. I think that still holds true, but still rings true. But guys, we're definitely seeing, guys, some activity here where now we do not have a bias on the 30-minute time frame. We don't have a bias on the 5-minute time frame. I did get a long, guys, lower earlier this morning, but like I said, it's dual-sided trade at this point in time. So guys, that's the NASDAQ. Let's go ahead and look at, very quickly, let's go ahead and look at the YM. Guys, that YM did see initiative out of balance above this line that we have on the chart, the 26,684s, guys. Did see some significant trade above that. Never looked back. But guys, remember that that 820 was that previous high that we saw as well. So guys, we did come up and trade the 820s, guys. Traded back through the 820s, traded the 833s on on the second, and then as we traded in the overnight session up through those 833s to the upside again, guys. Never looked back until the close yesterday. So we do have wide overlapping price activity, guys, on these lows, guys, and we did talk about how that 792 to 794 area was a key area here on the 30-minute time frame, guys. We saw not only once, twice, but 3 times sustained trade below that in the overnight session. So guys, definitely are seeing chop on these lows, and definitely, guys, do see here invalidation of that 30-minute lean. So guys, back above the 820, and I can potentially start to put the 30-minute lean back on. But yeah, it's definitely been invalidated with that large selling that we saw into the close yesterday. Down 94 points on the day, guys. So want to bring to your attention, guys, that EU was receptive recently to a new Brexit plan, guys. DAX was up 5 points, 7 points earlier this morning, and the FTSE was down almost 100, guys. Now the DAX is up 38.9, and the FTSE is only down 68.7, guys. So that receptiveness to a new Brexit plan is something that's definitely keeping things intact here. We have seen that bid that came in off of that. Crude is on recent lows of the day, guys, but we're down 90 points on the Dow, guys. Down 89 points, down 40 points on the NASDAQ, down 9.5 points on the ES. Alright, guys, and so we can definitely say back above that 820, guys. I'll put that line on the chart here, guys, up in the 820s. Back above that, and I start to say, you know, maybe we are seeing a third area balance higher, and I can start to reestablish some sort of 5-minute or 30-minute lean. But at this juncture, guys, clearly not. That's been invalidated with sustained trade below it. And then, guys, of course, on the 4 hour, we are looking at that 580 area, 570, 580 area. All right, guys, and then finally, last but not least, is that Russell, guys. That Russell has. Now let's take a look at a 30-minute, guys. We invalidated our short lean that we had on the 30-minute with sustained trade above that 1669 yesterday. Sorry, 1668 yesterday. Saw a spike all the way back up into previous session highs and above them, and then saw it roll over into the close and through the entire overnight session. Rolled over significantly more in the overnight session than it did into the close. So guys, we're near the upper extreme of this 5-minute area that we have established here this morning. But yeah, clearly guys, I think that it's clear to see with this overlapping price activity on these lows that we haven't validated that 4-hour lean. So guys, with no 4-hour lean, our 30-minute short lean has been invalidated. And our 5-minute lean, yeah, what do we have in the way of a 5-minute lean, guys? Yeah, we have no bias. So guys, on the Russell, we have no bias on the 4-hour, we have no bias on the 30-minute, and we have no bias on the 5-minute. If anything, I guess we could say we have a little bit of a long lean on the bias on the 5-minute, on the shortest time frame, on the 5-minute time frame. But yeah, it is definitely a tough spot to be, guys. So yeah, Russell is just, who the heck knows what's going on with it right now, to be completely honest with you. So guys, I do have to say that Russell is just a little lost chicken, it does look like to me. So it does look like it's definitely lost right now. So yeah, guys, that is the Russell, guys. That is the Russell, and no bias in any shape or form on the Russell. So let me post up the YM and post up the Russell, guys. But Russell is into the great unknown. There's no doubt about it. So 175s and 2 evens, guys. Right where we started off. The chat session. The chart talk session, guys, right where we started off at 175s and 2 evens. So guys, not seeing much going on here. Alright guys, so we have seen that recently, guys, we've seen that dollar with an offer, guys, off that 96 spot 121, guys. We did talk about how that 95 spot 78, guys, was the highs of the session, and how that was the highs of the swing, and we did see some actual resistance into the close, guys, but right after the close on failed talk of Brexit deal, guys, we did see spike up on the dollar, and overlapping price activity. We did see continuation into the evening session, but yeah, as news started to come out saying that Brexit was that EU was open to new deals, we started seeing some selling. We started to see a bid across the sterling. So yeah, we are seeing overlapping price activity on this 5-minute time frame lower, but guys, we are back into that support, into that 95 spot 761 area. We're back into that support, so I definitely will be keeping my eye on it for you. I'll definitely be letting you guys know what I see as the dollar's coming back off into support, guys. We are seeing that crude with an offer trading new lows of the day, guys, new lows of regular trading hours, and below the overnight lows into 75.76. So guys, 2 evens and 2 quarters of trading, guys. It's all Fed's quarrels, does not comment on monetary policy or economy in prepared remarks to the community banking conference. That was CBC is going on. That was yesterday and apparently today. But guys, yeah, we are seeing we are seeing this ES hang up on the highs, guys. We are seeing actually pretty bullish pattern here on this Nasdaq. On the Russell, yeah, guys, not so much. And that YM, let's go down into a 5-minute chart. Yeah, not quite as much on the YM either. But guys, we are definitely hoping for something a little bit higher here on the open. So guys, but Russell, remember, Russell has no biases in any way, shape, or form. So if you are trading the Russell, guys, it's definitely a good idea to keep your stop tight, because it does move quick, and it does move fairly rapidly, guys. Alright, guys, I zoomed all the charts. So guys, thank you so much for being here this morning. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. This is I am Eric V, guys. We do not have we've lost a lot of our leans, guys. I do want to caution that with those leans going away, guys, can we continue to see upside activity? Heck yes, we can. Can we continue to see us roll back over? Sure thing, can. Do I think that it's much more cloudy today than it was yesterday? I sure do. I sure as heck do, guys. I think that it makes the trade a lot cloudier, it makes the judgment a lot harder to see, and I think that trading off the 5-minute time frame is the only way, guys. 5-minute established lean higher, guys. I think that's the only way that you can manage risk today, because the 30 minutes have gone away. 275 is at 3 even. So guys, I am Eric V. M. Hoy, so I am the voice of FutureSquawk. And guys, I do want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys who are here. And I do want to let you know that FutureSquawk is a lost child production, guys, and it's dedicated to my son. I love you, my kid. Every trade that I take, every move that I make, every single day, every time I pray, I'll be thinking of you, man. Alright, so yeah, I stole that. Maybe I don't know, there may have been a little bit of police / Fuji's in there, but yeah, it's a little sentimental, but yeah, it's for you, man. I am thinking about you. So guys, we are seeing that Nasdaq roll back up, guys, up into that 7630s, guys. We have to see back above the 32s in order to really have hope of any sort of continuation, but definitely getting close to initiative out of balance in the 5-minute time frame on all the majors, guys, all the majors on that 5-minute initiative. All right, guys, thank you so very much, and you can reach out to me. Say hi at FutureSquawk.com. You can go ahead and also give me a call at the phone number on my website. You can also hit me up on Twitter, guys, at FutureSquawk. You know where I am. You know how I can find me. And my subscribers, you guys feel the fire. You guys are the reason why I'm here. You guys are the reason why I do what I do. And the fact that I do it so well is because you guys keep me focused on the tick-for-tick activity of these trending and non-trending markets. So thank you so very much, and have a wonderful, successful, and hopefully profitable trading day.